Aunt Lulu's dogs. Aunt Lulu has a dog shelter. She takes care of dogs. Aunt Lulu finds a little brown dog. The dog is dirty and hungry. Aunt Lulu takes the dog to her shelter. She gives the dog food and water. She washes the dog. A black and white dog sleeps in a box. The dog is sick. Aunt Lulu takes the dog to her shelter. She gives the dog medicine. The dogs get better. They run and bark. They play with Aunt Lulu. Aunt Lulu finds a home for the dogs. The dogs like their new home.